Hey guys, Chris6 here.
Wait, dude. Wrong channel, dude.
Oh, my bad. Start over.
Okay.
Hey guys, today we're going to be changing the taillights on my C6 Corvette because I still currently have the stocks on and it really doesn't match with my upgraded C8 style front end that I have. So, let's get to it. These are the C6 infrared taillights, and what I love about these is that, for starters, they're brand new. So, I'm going to be one of the first ones to have them. And they have a halo and infinity-like effect, which is also a sequential when you do the turn signals. And the best thing about C6 Corvettes is that replacing the taillights is super easy. All you need is a screwdriver with a Torx or star pattern end. It's just one bolt up here, you spin it, unplug it, and to put the new one in, it's the same thing in reverse. So the cool thing is that with these buttons, you can switch what type of lights you get. So I can do yellow sequentials, red sequentials, if you just want it blinking instead of a sequential, or Europe spec. Alright guys, so now we're cruising with my friends, but the lights are installed and I can't wait to show you guys. Check this out. Like I said, there's different modes. You could put either red sequentials or just flashing. I went for the yellow sequential. I think that looks sick. Definitely add some color. It's a good contrast with the red as well. Alright guys, and that wraps it up. Hopefully you guys like the taillights. I'm in love with them. I'm gonna be doing a lot more stuff to the Vette. I'm putting wheels on and maybe wide body in the rear. I don't know, but stay tuned. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more C6 Corvette content. Oh, and a Miata.